Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Today, in this video, let's have a look at this Teclast P20HD tablet, 10-inch tablet, full HD on a budget price. I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. I'll try to get a discount coupon for you as well. So guys, let's start with a really quick unboxing and then I'll show you everything about this tablet really quick. Okay, so here's the box, T-pads, Teclast. That's my old Teclast T10 over there. I did a review 2 years ago and I've been using that tablet for 2 years, basically every single day to watch YouTube when I'm going to bed. Alright, so the box, there's not much to it. Let's crack it open. Oh yeah, you can see a few specs here, capacity 6000 milliamps an hour. Alright. Okay, so this is what we are presented with. For a budget tablet, it's not too bad. It has this rubber all around to protect during shipping. So you also have some booklets, some instruction manual, warranty card. Yeah, let's put it to the side for now. Moving on, we have this box here with goodies. Let's have a look what's inside. Yeah, basically it's just the charger. Here you guys can see the specs. It's not the fastest charger in the world for what I've been testing it so far, but it is what it is. On the positive side, it comes with a USB Type-C charging cable. Also included in the box, there's this SIM removal tool. Remember guys, this tablet has 4G and you can make calls with it. Okay, so moving on to the main star of the show, Teclast P20HD. It's looking good. It comes with a factory screen protector on the front and some plastic on the back as well for protection. Got the logo there, the model number. It has this brushed aluminum effect. Let me just remove this film. And the one on the back too. And there you have it guys. Let's do a walk around the tablet. So here you can see the screen protector from factory. There's a few air bubbles there. Front camera there at the front, completely black when you look at it. On the back, like I mentioned, he has this brushed aluminum finish. Teclast says is metal, I do believe them, but it does feel a bit plasticky. Nevertheless, it feels steady and strong. The sides are made of plastic and you can see the buttons there, the rocker button, charging port. Let me turn this around so you can see it better. Headphone jack there, you got the camera, power button there, the volume rocker. Made of plastic, these buttons. And here is the USB Type-C charging port. Moving along, at the bottom of the tablet, we have the stereo speakers, so you guys can see there. On the side, you got nothing. And on the top, alongside with the headphone jack, you have the SIM card tray. You can use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card plus a micro SD card, 64 or 128 gigs according to the manufacturer. There's the headphone jack there, and at the bottom we have the microphone there. Yeah, overall I think it does look good. It looks premium. It doesn't feel cheap. For example, if you look at the accent, the gold accent around the camera there, I do like that detail. So let's turn it on. We are presented with the Teclast logo, powered by Android, in this case Android 10. And straight out of the box, this is how the tablet will look like. Not much things pre-installed, so basically you have the Google apps and that's it. No rubbish apps. This is all you get. You can decide what to install later on. Looking at the settings here, let's check the about. And as advertised, we can see it here, 4 gigs of RAM. And there you go guys, Android version 10. Storage wise from factory, so 64 gigs version and the system using 9 gigs, basically 9 gigs of the storage straight from factory without anything installed. Let me install a few things for you guys and we'll have a look at the UI as well. Now, talking about the UI of this tablet, let's have a look at it really quick. Looking at the settings, and on the display here you have the night lights. I'm not sure if you guys can see. I'm going to lower the brightness of the tablet. Hopefully you guys can see it on camera. So you have the night light, then it will dim the screen more of a yellow tint, not so cold white. Then you guys can see it on camera, which is good if you intend to use this tablet during the nighttime. And you also have a dark theme that change everything to black, which I do like quite a lot. Let's have a look really quick at IDA64 so we can see the specs in full of this tablet. So starting with the system tab, we can see the Teclast P20HD. You can see it has 4 gigs of RAM. On the CPU tab, we can see the 8 cores, the ARM Cortex A55 running at 1.6 gigahertz. And here you guys can see the 8 cores. At the moment the tablet is idling, and you can see the speed at the moment. On the display tab, here is the resolution 1920 by 1200, so slightly taller than a 1080p, 10.05 inch, and the pixel density 225 dpi. I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera the quality of the screen or not. Normally it's quite tricky to get it right on camera. And moving on, we have the network, where we can see the 5 GHz band is supported. Battery, we have a temperature of 23 degrees for the battery, and you can see the full capacity 6000 milliamps an hour. Android tab, we can see is running Android 10, and the device is not rooted. So guys, let's have a look what we can do. Let's, for example, run Netflix. And first thing first, let's have a look at the max resolution. This one is not Google certified. It doesn't have the Google Widevine level 1. This must be level 3. And as you guys can see on the resolution there, the max resolution supported is 960 by 540. So not full HD on Netflix. Let's play some titles here. It's nice, you can change the brightness directly there on Netflix. Yeah guys, the colors look good, they look alright, vibrant. The sound, it's loud enough, stereo speakers, and you're not cover it when you're holding the tablet like this, because the speakers are here at the bottom. Let me try to focus the camera. Another thing of this UI is, if you exit Netflix like this, you can still watching there while you're doing some other stuff. Let's now have a look at YouTube, which is basically what I do with my tablet. 4K video. The lines we were seeing on screen, you can see it in real life. I think that's the screen protector. The colors are vibrant. I like it. Let's bring the brightness all the way to the max. Let's now play a few games, guys, starting with Asphalt 9. Hopefully you guys can see it clear. We still have the screen protector there. I'm gonna leave it for a while because I'm gonna use this tablet. Hey guys, I think it's pretty good, as you guys can see. Not as good as my skills. Yeah, not too bad, guys. Let's play another one. Let's try PUBG Mobile. The graphics, we're playing with standard graphics. Let's have a look. Smooth, medium, classic. I think it's pretty responsive. I mean, for the price of this unit, it's not too bad, guys. Not too bad at all. There you go. And that's how we play PUBG Mobile. In terms of sound, this is how this tablet sounds like. It could have a bit more lows in my opinion, but I think it does the job. Okay guys, so this is the back camera recording, 720p max, so it's not the best, to be honest. Yeah, let's change it back to the front camera. And now we're using the front camera, 480p only. So it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. For those who want to know the benchmark scores, there you have it, guys. Single core score and multi-core score. I keep finding nice stuff on this UI. For example, this smart saving mode for the battery. You can find 3 predefined settings: smart, power and ultra saving mode. I think this is quite nice and handy. Another thing I find helpful is this color settings here, so you can change straight away the colors to cool or warm, and also you have the increased contrast down there. Yeah guys, overall I think this is a nice tablet, especially for the price. Octa-core, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage. One thing I forgot to mention, yes, built-in GPS, dual Wi-Fi band, that 5GHz band, for me it's a big plus. Yeah, I think it's a good unit. Let me know if you want to try anything else in particular down below in the comments. If you like this video, if you enjoy it, click the like button, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for your support. Like always guys, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one.